Okay guys, so we're just finished physics. Wait. Yeah, we just finished physics. We're going to period 7. I have a push. This girl has Spanish. This girl has Lang. It's Vlogmas day. I don't even know what day it is. What day? It's Vlogmas day. Hold on, let me count. It's day 8. It's day 8 of Vlogmas on Sean's channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I don't know, hit the bell.
Yeah, share.
Yeah, comment. Anyway, yeah, that's the vibes. Hey. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna get gold in this. No, nothing to say in between, honestly. This is your gold. Do you want to say hi to Sean's Vlogmas?
Who am I saying hi to?
Sean's Vlogmas. His channel. His
Sean's what?
Vlog. His channel.
His vlog. His
Yeah.
video blog.
Yeah, vlog. Yes.
Yeah, it's a vlog. And I'm saying hi, why?
Because he was like, "Oh, don't get gold in it," and I was
Oh, and now I'm in
determined.
it. Yeah, see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we showed him.
Yeah. Okay. And then we have Christine. Hi.
Whose phone is this?
Sean. This is his Vlogmas.
Sean?
Yes, this is his Vlogmas day 8.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Wait, why is this
I already
zoomed out?
said all of that. I don't know because it's iPhone 10.
I'm still in it. See?
Okay, wait, do I hit stop recording?
Okay, goodbye.
Bye bye.